2018 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, keyless entry, traction control, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, climate control, side airbag, security system, power door locks, power windows, CD player, power brakes, tachometer, overhead console, dual zone climate control, center console, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.